It is the host, Camp Sur, against the visiting Tikas Kapampangan. Of course, these plays are brought to you by Smart Powerall 99. Load now, Smart Powerall 99. Definitely powerful plays early by Tikas Kapampangan, and Bagay is setting the tone early. In fact, the truth is, Tikas controlled majority of this game. Yes, they were leading, they were threatening to blow the game wide open, but they hang on to a 1-point lead after 26 to 25. Now, come the second quarter, this is when Tikas again tried to break away, and then Bagay, of course, with his on-court gimmicks. Of course, Haboneta was there. Meanwhile, Lancer Khan, after a slow start, got this game going. So again, in the second quarter, this is when Tikas started to build a lead. Okay? And they, yes, they did lead bigger, 50 to 43 at halftime. Now, come the third quarter, it was a shootout. This is when the shooting clip started to increase. The teams were really scoring left and right, and they were trying to outshoot each other. And in the end, it really did not favor any side, as they were matching each other shot for shot. Of course, we have quality shots, we have quality points from the players. And again, 8-point lead still for Tikas. They maintain the difference. Now, we go to the fourth quarter of regulation. Yes, I'm just playing spoiler. Vincent Malyapre was all over the place. He was excelling both on offense and defense. Rallying Camp Sur. And then, of course, Habonete tried to redeem himself after a forgettable Game 3. We are tied at 102 all, so we go to extra 5 minutes overtime. In the overtime, of course, it was an early jackrabbit start for Camp Sur anchored on Habonete. But hey, Tikas, they tried their best to come back. In fact, they were able to lead and tie several times until this big triple by our best player, Sablaon. And again, that's our final score, 115 to 114. Congratulations. Of course, these powered up players.